Eating banana.
What is this? What is this? What is this? This is not. What is this thing?
I don't know.
Is it this hand? What's this? Should they roll? Let's see. Oh, it's his shoulder.
My friend came.
Yeah.
He's down there. Now, yeah, brum brum.
It's time to wake you up. Wait, what is that, baby? Your head's... He's
Bum.
taking everything.
Bum bum. Bum bum.
Eating banana. Oh. See, he's leaving Daddy because you're not waking up.
Yeah, go, daddy, go, daddy.
Nagsisimula nang magluto si Daddy Ram, guys. Ako, kumakain ng lentils at saka potato. Tapos na silang kumain. Ako na lang hindi pa nakakain. Kaya ako mag-isa. Lahat ng delivery namin today is Lasang Panabo area lang. May isang downtown na order pero i-pick up dito sa bahay namin. Kanila ang system muna namin, guys. Minsan sa Panabo area, minsan downtown area. Para hindi masyadong mahirap. And then, hindi kami everyday nagluluto, guys. Kasi marami sa inyo ang nagtatanong kung everyday kami nagluluto. Alternate days usually. Ayan, busy-busy na naman si Daddy Ram. Medyo marami-rami din ang ating orders for today. So, 2 batch, right, Daddy?
Yeah, 2 batch.
So, 1 and then 2. Medyo maingay, guys. Nandito kami sa balcony. Show them our plants, Nana.
So these two are mint.
Yes, our mints.
This
Then?
is coriander. You might think it doesn't have that much progress, but look, these small things weren't there before.
Oh, okay.
It suddenly just came. I'm also surprised. How did that come?
It's growing, maybe.
Yeah, it doesn't keep disrupting.
Ayan ang aming orders. Ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, come on.
It's easy, right?
May hinihintay pa kaming for pick up, guys. Hindi pa sila dumadating. So, naghihintay lang kami dito sa baba. Para pag na-pick up na nila, diretso na tayo sa Panabo. Yung subscriber namin, guys, bumili ng biryani. May pasalubong pa sa amin. Yema. Oh, love this Yema. Ano na? Nakisali din si Maui. Oh, durian candy. It's for me and Tita Joy. And what is this other one? Is it durian? Durian Yema. So you can eat this. Yema, Daddy. I'll give you? Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Ayan, you want? One. Ikaw, te.
Thank you. Later.
Thank you. Ako na lang.
It's fresh.
It's good?
Good and fresh.
Ganito nila kagusto, guys. Oh. Si Ryan at si Daddy Ram lang ang nakaubos dito.
That's why shout out to Conception family.
For bringing this one. For making Daddy Ram happy.
It's really good.
Last delivery na, guys. Ito na lang talaga ang natira. Ito na kami sa Panabo. And we finished delivering so early today.
Because there is no traffic.
Yeah.
It's
So,
like, Small town like that, right? It's very easy. All nearby only.
We are planning to go for massage because well deserved for his hard work.
Yeah.
Then I will do my nails because oh my god, yung aking kuko hindi na maitsura. Dito kami guys sa Distress. So meron silang massage and meron din silang manicure pedicure. Daddy Ram already tried their service once only? Once or twice?
Once only.
Ah, okay. Let's go. Kumusta mother? The massage?
Okay na okay.
Oh, diba? Si Bryle, si Ate Jan.
Kami na kayo sleep.
Pwede na mag-sleep.
Coffee and soup and...
Ma-cool mom daw ka ba? Kaya nag-dancerist daw kagahapon.
Amang.
Morning guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-continue mag-vlog kahapon kasi medyo late na kaming nakauwi ng bahay. Today, may i-check kami na bagong bahay since nga nagka-negosyo tayo. So, kailangan namin ng medyo malaki-laking space. May nakita ako sa Facebook na post about sa bahay na ito and medyo okay naman. So, maaga kami ni Daddy Ram lumabas ng bahay para i-check out yun. Then, it's just few minutes away sa kung saan kami nagstay. So, we'll see. Sana magustuhan natin. Malapit na kami guys. Maganda ang area dito. Malaki yung daan nila. Tapos, malapit sa lahat. Sa mga ibang restaurants, ganoon. Shops, petrol station. Nasa kanto lang. Ito yung bahay guys. Oh, diba? Maganda, malaki. Okay. Na ay AC, diba? Tanan, ano, bedroom.
Ito, isa lang. Wala ko.
Ah, okay.
Tank.
Naapoy tank. Balcony. Oh, it's very long. Okay. First bedroom.
Kuan good sa last day ko gihimo. Gulanan diri.
Ah, okay. Third bedroom.
Maganda sa mga ano.
Cabinet.
Kami sa mga cabinet.
So how's the house, Daddy?
House is okay, but there's no chimney. Cooking setup is very difficult.
That's our main.
Yeah, and no
main
backyard
hatchery.
at all actually. That is the other thing. At least little bit of place. That's the concern. Otherwise, it's okay actually.
Yeah. Big 3-bedroom.
Yeah.
That's what we want. There is washroom on top
Yeah.
and below also.
So both available. But
Yeah.
the main thing is chimney. Otherwise, like difficult, you know. Kitchen is in attached to living room, then no chimney. So
Yeah.
I'll say.
Dito muna kami guys sa Lots for Less. May mga bibilhin kami. This one. I think is this the one? Check below that. Do we still have the 750? You bought already, right? Would it be enough? For raita. We can put, right? What else? Bayad din. Bayad. Galing sa negosyo yan. Good morning, people. Ready to go to school? Gusto agad magpa-carry. Wait. Lord, nga naman, Lord. Nga naman, nasa mga kagto.
Oh, he's using it for that one.
Yeah, he wants to go out. Wait for a while. We'll go out in a while. You'll go to school. What? Pagsusi. Did you eat breakfast? Not yet? Okay. Yes, I got eggs. Sobrang busy na umaga. Nagkakagulo na. Nagpalit na kong Zonrox o brush, te. Zonrox, brush. Nakita ni Mami. Nicknames. Oy, yung ubi yung sa'yo, Maui. Munggo, sandwich spread. Awate. Pwede pa kaunon? Give him, Ryan. Give him. Let me open. Open first. Okay. Give him his one first. It's difficult to open this. Ito para sa... Sige, makisali ka. Thong. Para sa aming family pack. Biryani. 750 pack. Then para sa yogurt. My God! Wait for a while. Aluminum foil. Okay. Let me open that. Dali na. Gulo-gulo guys. Nagkakagulo na po tayo dito. Happy now? Maui, happy now? Hindi na mamansin. The Obi-Wan ayaw ni Ryan. New favorite. Ayan, nakaluto na kami ng biryani guys. Kasi meron tayong special order today. Itong buong ito, isang tao lang ang nag-order. Or dalawa ba sila? Naghuhugas na ako ng mga konting kailangan na hugasan para makaalis na tayo. Sa bihirang pagkakataon guys, ang ating bahay ay tahimik. Dahil nasa school sila ni Maui. It will take 45 minutes lang naman. So, sa Trinidad-Irang hintayin na lang na matapos si Maui bago siya bumalik dito. So, before siya umalis, tinapos niya muna ang pagluluto ng biryani kasi nga ang ating special order ay naghihintay. And guess niyo kung sino ang nag-order nito guys. Ang papa ko lang. Kasi sabi ko sa inyo, diba, nung isang araw ata, may bisita kami na mga kamag-anak from Cebu. So, ang aking proud dad, gusto silang patikimin ng chicken biryani ng kanyang son-in-law. So, sabi niya, mag-order ako ng biryani sa inyo. Actually guys, supposed to be, wala kaming luto today kasi make sure ko na may rest day nga kami. So, kahapon, nagluto at nag-deliver na kami. Supposed to be today, tsaka tomorrow rest day kasi Sunday na ang next na order. Pero, ang ating papa ay nag-request. So, nilutuan sila ni Ram. What you got there, Ryan?
It's this, I don't know how to call it. I don't know what it's.
Beyblade, I think Beyblade. It's just like your, what you call that?
Yeah, the other one.
The other one?
Bigger.
Yeah. Where did you buy?
An SM.
Oh, you went to SM?
It's plastic, this one.
Ryan doesn't have socks.
Oh.
Socks!
Because you want to go inside?
Yeah, but it didn't have socks.
Okay. We have Lola over here. Hi, Lola. May pinuntahan si Mama dito sa Davao. So, sabay kaming uuwi. Doon sa kanila. Ang dami na namang laundry. Sa Bonabo ka te or here? How is it, Bryle?
It's really good.
Katawa si Ate Bryle, oh. Basher.
Props.
Props. Even your hair is eating, Bryle. Busy si Daddy Ram. Nilalagay na ang ating biryani. Yummers. As always. Siguro approved. Maui, where did you go, Maui? You went to Panabo, Maui? Come and eat, come and eat.
Yeah, let's put
Mama Joy is calling you. As big as your head, Daddy. The banana.
It's so big.
Our banana in India is so tiny.
It's for 1 week maybe.
Very big.
Give me.
It's good.
Sweet.
Simi.
Asa na ba, Rima? Unifruity, ma?
Fruity.
Oh.
Marlon.
Kuya Marlon's company.
Manager in Unifruity. Marlon Banlota.
Big banana juice.
Ganahan siya na yan. Slowly na na. Don't bite it too big.
But you cannot eat sorry.
Yeah, I know. Yan. Bigay nila Kuya Dodo.
Oh my God. Look at this.
Ang mga mahihilig sa saging.
It's the first time I'm seeing like that.
It's so huge, right?
You see? They export.
Na-amaze siya mo. Here in Philippines, they will just distribute to everyone this one. This kind of banana. Heavy rain and some areas are flooding. Oh my God.
Oh, here.
Is that luckily?
Okay, look.
Okay. Wala nang makita, guys. My God. Kanina pa kami naghihintay na tumila ang ulan. Pero parang wala siyang balak na mag-stop talaga. So, nung medyo mina na nag-start na kami din, ayan, lumakas ulit. We are home, guys.
Hello.
Come. I need to sleep na. Say goodnight to guys.
Bye guys. Like, subscribe, like, sharing the bell icon. Bye. See you
Bye,
bukas.
guys. Peace.